Ain't no better stage. Let's dominate for 4 quarters. Don't let up. Leave everything out there. Let's go. Dominate on 3. 1, 2, 3. Dominate.
Here we go. It's the NFC Championship game. The Los Angeles Rams, the San Francisco 49ers. Anytime, anywhere, you need to say no more. But here today, there is so much more to say because of what is at stake. The streak, the NFC Championship, the spot in the Super Bowl 2 weeks from today here at SoFi Stadium.
Bring it on tight. Hey, this circle gets tighter every day. And tonight's no different, man. Fight for the man beside you. Fight your ass off, and let's ride.
This is it. There is no tomorrow, do or die. You got to go through the 49ers. You got to go through your biggest rival. You got to face all your fears and fix all your flaws. It ain't going to be easy. It ain't going to be pretty, but it's all going to be worth it if you win this football game.
Electricity buzzing inside SoFi Stadium. Everyone on their feet.
Let's go. It's time, man. God, it's been too long, JB. It's been too long.
Nah, we're here for a reason. Let's go do it together. Hey, fellas, we've been waiting for this our whole lives. Let's go make the most of it. Let's go start the fight and finish this. Here we go. Come on. Knockout on 3. 1, 2, 3. Here we go, baby.
A Super Bowl-like feel inside SoFi Stadium. A striking mix of these bitter California NFC West rivals to decide who gets to take on the Bengals in 2 weeks here in Inglewood in Super Bowl 56. So Matthew Stafford, Sean McVay, and the Rams offense will get it first. Here we go. It's the NFC Championship game. Stafford waits for it in the gun. Here comes the Brits. Stafford climbs. He's going to scramble. 45 of San Francisco, and he's wrapped up with a first down in Niners territory.
You know, the last time I played in a game like this, they called it a war of attrition. You got to be able to bow up against these dudes. You can throw the ball on them. You know that, but you got to be able to bow up.
Now they need 6 on 3rd down. Here comes the blitz from San Francisco. He stands in. Deal. Right side. Plucked out of the air by Cooper Kupp at the right sideline. First down as Cooper Kupp goes out of bounds inside the 15. McVay taking a look at his play sheet. What do you have for 3rd down and 13 in the red zone? 18th play of the drive. Stafford throws right to the end zone. Cooper Kupp! Touchdown LA! A 16-yard dot to the Triple Crown winner! And Los Angeles strikes first in the NFC Championship game. Hey, Stafford! 7.
We're tiring them out now. Body blow, body blow, body blow. And the knockout punch is going to come. Great job. Great job. Great job.
7-7 at the 2-minute warning. Second quarter. 49ers tied it up on a 44-yard Deebo Samuel catch and run after Cooper Kupp gave the Rams the lead. Jalen Ramsey, the last Ram to have a chance at him, gave him a shove at the 5, but Deebo was able to extend the football and score it. All right, here comes a 54-yarder from the right hash. Matt Gay hits it with the right foot. It's right all the way. It is no good. And so the Rams come up empty with 1:50 to go. That gives the Niners a chance to double dip. Snap back, hold down. Gold sends it away, and it is good to give San Francisco a 10-7 lead going to the halftime locker room. The Rams have the football. Stafford under center. He's going to sneak it over the left side on 4th down and 1. Short by a link. A turnover on downs by the 49ers defense. With a field goal lead, Garoppolo looking for more. Shoots it to the left side. End zone. Kittle airborne. Brings it in. Touchdown San Francisco. And the 49ers go 10 plays, 58 yards, and 5:54. 17-7 lead. The Rams got the first 7 points of this NFC Championship, but the 49ers have scored 17 unanswered.
Come on, guys. 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 Come on. Come on.
Gotta believe.
Hey, let's go one at a time, huh? One at a time. Let's get some points.
It's gonna be a hell of a story, baby. Come on. It's gonna be a hell of a story, baby. Let's go. Write our own story. Write our own story. Let's go.
must-answer situation now for the Rams with 1:59 to go. The Niners have sucked up a lot of the time of possession.
It's time for you to go down and score a touchdown, give your defense some energy and some hope, and now you have a chance to break this game open.
Stafford with Michelle behind center. It's a flea flicker. Back to Stafford, retreating. Checks down. It's a tight end screen. Blanton 40, 35-30. Untouched to the 25. Gets through a tackle. He's all the way down inside the 20 of San Francisco. Kendall Blanton with two of the biggest weeks of his life.
Yo, you Kendall, boy, I told you, hey, that boy built like that.
Stafford lifts that left leg, calling for the snap. Along the shotgun against a four-man rush, clean platform. He deals left side. Cooper Kupp in the end zone. He's a cheat code. Touchdown, Cooper Kupp. Touchdown, LA. With 13:30 to go in regulation, his second score of the game. 11 yards on the reception from Stafford. 17-14, the 49ers lead, and they got the football in LA territory at the plus 45. But it's 3rd down and 2. They open up. They give the first man through. It's the fullback. He's hit by Gaines. He got nothing with the stop on 3rd and 2.
Lord by the soul. That's what you told me, right? That's what you told me, Chief. Let's do it. Let's do it.
Attempt this from the right hash. It will measure 40 yards. Out of the hold of Johnny Hecker. Here's the snap. Hold is down. Kick on its way. And Matt Gay ties the game from 40 yards. The Niners have 3 timeouts. Rams have 0. You cannot surrender a string of first downs here.
Blow up. We're playing for something, man. We're playing for something. It's got to mean something to you. It got to mean something. Everything you got. Everything you got. Let's finish this. Do it, fellas. Let's go. Let's do it, fellas. Finish 1, 2, 3. Finish.
Okay, DeMarco, we haven't really felt Donald's presence yet. If he wants to go back to the Super Bowl, don't know if he'll ever get a better look at it than this.
We haven't heard much from Aaron today. Tie ball game, NFC Championship. Time for him to be special.
Garoppolo's going to throw on first down. Hit from behind. Throw goes low. Incomplete. Right as we called his name, Aaron Donald waving his arms, knowing that his offense is about to get a chance to go take the lead.
Win the game right here. Hey, let's drive, all right?
This is what you brought Matthew Stafford here for. This is what you signed Odell Beckham Jr. for. This is why you paid Cooper Kupp. All these things is for this moment right here on this drive.
Cooper Kupp makes the catch, breaking across the field, breaking a tackle at the 20, and he's down at the 11. Cooper Kupp roars in celebration.
That's the most excited I've ever seen Cooper Kupp in my life.
Matt Gay from 30 to give the Rams the lead. Snap back, hold down. The kick is on the way, and it is right down the middle. Matt Gay from 30.
We got a strain. Let's end it. Let's end it. Let's end it.
This is the moment. Hey, this is the moment right here. Let's go. This is the moment. This is why you're here. Let's go. Hey. Winning time, baby. Leave it all out there. Winning time, baby. Let's go.
San Francisco with 1 timeout, 1:46 remaining, with a spot in Super Bowl 56 on the line. This is what you wanted to make Jimmy Garoppolo beat you at your place.
A lot of money was spent on this defense. You have 2 guys worth $100 million. You brought in Von Miller. You paid Leonard Floyd. It's time for these guys to show up.
Need all that noise, baby. Need all that. Need all that.
Well, here we go again. You got it where you wanted. Play great coverage. Know that they're going to try to get the ball to Kittle up the seam. Here it comes.
Snap back to Garoppolo. Pocket crumbling. He spins out. He's hit. He's wrapped up. He flips it forward. It's tipped. It's intercepted. It's intercepted. It's intercepted. Aaron Donald got pressure on Garoppolo, and Travin Howard clinches the NFC Championship game. With 1:09 remaining at SoFi Stadium, San Francisco is heading home. The Rams are staying home to play in Super Bowl 56.
Yeah! We wanted it. Let's go.
SoFi will host the NFC Championship game and the Super Bowl, and your Los Angeles Rams are going to play in both.
We going to the Super Bowl.
Hey, we going to the ship. Oh, man. We got one more. Yes, sir. And we're going to do it. Let's go.
We got one more.
Going to the Super Bowl. We going to the Super Bowl.
I'm telling you. Got a little more work to do.